Cause of you give birth to Nigy boy. But all me I say to you say, don't get carried away. Don't put on your shield and your sword because you reach your son now and feel like say everything is gravy. It's not gravy, my lady. And now you have to protect your son more than how you used to protect him before. You hear that? Your work cut out for you now more than ever. Because I hear so get well dangerous. You hear that? Yes, so stardom. And everybody a call phone and everybody want do something. Everybody want this, everybody want. And now you have to be extra careful. And may I tell you, say, you have your son in a shark infested waters. You have to get him out of there. You have your son in a shark infested water. A deep salt water and then I know. You have to get him out. You have to. I'm not to dwell upon that too long, you know. I'm not dwell upon that too long. But you must say, everybody I look like a clout out of it. And everybody jump on them live and some people don't like me and feel like they want to give them page like a highlight. But who Foota fight the youth and Foota? I'm going to fight the youth and me post him. And me post him before everybody start run and post him. You know? And me from the first video in my white t-shirt, I say this Russian need for authorize and bag or something. You understand what I say? So, me not understand how it turn the man where I get help, bad mind. Somehow in other sense, you know? All some people may say, I post a video with me and say, me no want to manage the youth. But in the caption, I put say, Foota talk the truth, I manager want to manage the youth. But the same video with them put up, I say, me no want to manage the youth. Because them a look cloud for them page. So them feel like, say, okay, this Foota hype and you get following. Start a drama with Foota hype and people come on your page. So them just look clout. Them never like Nigy boy neither. Them not care. Them just look clout off a Foota. But Foota no there so look no clout. Me hear one of them say, oh, she turn YouTube famous and she make a little money now and rare. And me I say, oh, so una did me not make money off of social media? Me not make money off of social media now. You know how much you want badge? And look, from me there pan here, so how much minutes now? Nobody not buying a badge. So this can't do nothing for me. This not paying the bills to me. The vlogger them want to see I run it down and I style Foota all the time. And them I look money. I want to make them a convince you to say me bad mind. People where I do this as a hustle. I convince you say me bad mind. When me now do this, me I do this from my heart. Me I speak up for the blind youth from my heart. Can me see danger around him? From me message the blind youth, you know. And me see the response, you know. Say that the shit house there. A angle business, you know. Me lose it. Me see one of them gonna say, well, me never say this long time. Me never know that. After me never know that. As somebody message me, want to do some work with the blind youth. So me message the blind youth page. And me see the answer, they say that they somebody their angle business. And from there, so me fret radar turn up. Come here for fret. First things first. Now listen to idiot. Me can sue the whole of them. All of them when you hear shut up every day. Every day you hear them say Foota hype out of them mouth in one day raggedy way. Foota hype is a registered business, you know, in America, you know. Them are discriminate against my business and attack a bag of thing with them not know, you know. And me more in a position to sue them. Who them I gonna sue? My comment section? And my comment section you not gonna sue? Because I not sue, no. And if me say Dr. Fish, who names up? You no copyright Dr. Fish? If me say Kingfish, who names up? Who knows who? You no copyright Kingfish? Them all can talk to dunce and idiot. Remember Foota and a dunce and idiot, you know? Foota and a stupid, you know? So go sue the comment section then, no? Carry the whole comment section a code. Dunce and shit. But so when them guilty and them know so them thing I make known, them go and talk about sue. So how much of them wanna hear say I sue me how long now? How much time? Sue what? Me have some information, you see. Tell them when the court come. Tell them soon now. Tell them soon now. Tell them soon now. Dirty shittos. You don't want to preep on the innocent. Why uno want to take up the little blind boy business? Why? Because no one can manipulate. I want to know the mother not really have it like that. So she can accept any little help. She can get any little vulnerability. Una go preep on it. You understand what I'm saying? And at that, at the problem, at that the mother not see. The mother don't see that. She thinks I help she get. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, the biggest thing now is Stefflon and Jada Kingdom. I absolutely love it. First thing, I don't have to ask. I don't know say me love Stefflon. I don't know that. Me not talk about her music. You know, Stefflon done cute and she thick and she sexy and my type of girl. Jada hot till like fire, thick and sexy and you know. So I two actors, I two of them where me like. Now, talent wise, we can't go around it. The two of them talented. Jada talented and Steph talented. See? So, in other war, you know, me like it. Cause, as you know my thing go. The two of them thick, and the two of them brown, and the two of them look good. So me like it. You know what I absolutely like though? Me like say Jada run out and say, yo, call name if me attack. But obviously Stefflon done it already. Talk about twinkling at the song. But she never put out that part there. Zine? So, who said Jada body fake? Who said that? You don't know Jada then. You don't know Jada Kingdom then. Jada thick from morning. Jada thick with flat belly from morning. Don't do that. Don't do that. And Stefflon thick from morning. It two of them at. It two of them at. Jada just put on a little too much tattoo. I just that I never like. Zine, you wanna not understand about music. I'm telling you a long time, Zine. Little girl, if you don't know Jada long time, you would not talk. Jada sexy long time. And a flat belly long time. And big body long. Jada actually lose some weight now. You see me I say? So, you know that. What me I say to you now? Me tell you before sting, you know. And me I tell you now again, you know. You see the music business, conflict within the music is a good thing. You see, as long as it don't go physical, me nah have no problem with it that. Zine? As long as it don't go physical, me nah have no problem with it. Now here we have two beautiful women, two talented women, right? Two women with Foota like. Zine, we are going to get the best out of them now. We are going to get the best out of them. Remember, Jada can sing DJ rap. Stefflon can sing DJ rap. Yo, this is a win-win for both of them. This is a win-win for both of them. I absolutely love it. I may love it. Me ready for it. Me ready for it. All who ready for it say clash. Just type the word clash. All who ready for it, just type the word clash. Just type the word clash. Right now, me I vote for two of them. Me I cheer for two of them. All who ready for it, just type the word clash. More when them watch it, them see this. Just type the word clash. All who cheer for the warrior, just type the word clash.